madams, and I'm going to show you how to change the swing on the door. This was swinging this way. I've already did everything so the video won't be so long, but you have a bracket on top, a bracket in the middle, and a bracket on the bottom. What you'll do, whichever way you're going to swing, you'll put it on that side, which it was on this side. It already has holes made, so you can have it any side you want it on. You also have brackets on your doors that have to be changed. You have your door handle and plus a bracket like this. You have one on the freezer door and the refrigerator door, and you have to switch them over depending on which side that you want it on. So all mine is right now, so I'm going to show you how to reassemble it. You have this little pin thing that goes on the bottom of the refrigerator door, and then you have this one that goes on the top, and then your freezer door will actually sit on this when you put your other bracket on there to hold it in place. So first I'm going to put this one on. And then you set your door up there. And it's got a little hole in there just like this top one does. Slide it in there. And you have this one, the door is shut. And just try to line it up. Just screw it in, tighten it up real good. Don't have to over tighten it because it's not. And your door opens and closes. And then we have our freezer door. We do the same way. And you just set it back in that hole. It has a little hole down here that you set it in this one. And your freezer door will slag a little bit until you get this other bracket on here, but you have two holes up here on either side. And you also have like a little pin thing that goes in the top that holds it. And then you may have to pick your door up just a little bit to get it lined up right. And then you just check to make sure that it's can open and close. And make sure that it's closing all the way. And that's how you change the swing of a refrigerator door. Thank you.